Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Pong game in Scratch. So firstly we want to delete sprite 1 and select a new sprite from the sprite library. I'm going to select ball and this will be our player. Now we're going to do some coding. When green flag is clicked, we want to go to X and Y 0 and point in direction 45. Now forever we want to take 15 steps and if we're on the edge of the screen then we want to bounce. There's a really useful block for this, if on edge bounce. And so as you can see here on the right, the ball will just move around and bounce around. So now we want to create the paddle. So we're going to choose a sprite and we're going to scroll down and eventually you'll get to paddle. So if you click on it, then you can see it, and click on it and drag it to about here on the screen. And it doesn't need to be exactly there, but it should be roughly there. And we're going to say when green flag clicked, forever set X to mouse X. And this will basically move it with the mouse. So there's a mouse X block in the sensing section. And so when I press the green flag, you can see that it also moves around with the mouse. So now we need to make a line at the bottom that will be used as a sort of lava. So we're going to choose a sprite again and scroll down and click on line. Now we're going to move it all the way down to the bottom and try not to leave any white gaps at the bottom. So that's good. Now we're going to do when green flag is clicked, forever if it's touching the ball, then we want to end the game. So if touching mouse pointer and change this to ball, then we want to stop all, and that will stop the entire program. We want to go back to the ball sprite and we're going to make another script. When green flag is clicked, forever if touching the paddle, then what we want to do is we want to change direction. So we're going to turn 180 degrees and that will turn around. Then move 15 steps. And wait 0.5 seconds. Now if we run the game, you can see that it works. And the ball will move around, the paddle will move with the mouse. Every time the ball hits the paddle, it will bounce the other way, and if it hits the red line at the bottom, then the game ends. So there are multiple ways that you can customize this, like making a different background, adding an end screen, or even things like a score and maybe a high score. So that's how to make a Pong game in Scratch. Thank you for watching.